There's Jimmy's new boat. What is that thing, Jimmy?
Atlantic.
Atlantic. You just need a little more ballast, Jimmy. Get her down the water a little better.
Yeah.
Other than that, she looks pretty damn good. I like it.
You know,
A variable power supply.
by watching the things he does and looking at the boats that they've wired,
I like it, Jimmy.
it doesn't amaze me that he has problems with this. He doesn't seem to have an understanding of just freaking homes the wall.
Meanwhile, my puffer's sitting there going, just hanging out.
Bob
He's a mechanic. I get that. He's actually got
I don't like the idea of having this thought out.
besides that thing up
If backing a boat automatically brings it.
We got
yeah, even if
two
it's
tugboats,
snags, there's a chance of easily
a Scottish puffer, and a regatta going on. This is great. Oh, I'm an idiot. All right, there we go. All right, Ed's towing. Steve O'Connell's escorting.
Because that's the thing, when you're out there, you can't see.
right.
And we have a regatta. And a drone.
Well, I'm thinking of
Here we are. Early morning.
I'm thinking about 3D printing a VHF antenna to flip over one of the lights. Maybe just yellow. And I want to put a stern light on there.
Stern lights are tough.
We had a full crew out here today.
Yeah. Well, exactly. I'm thinking. Oh, we got that nice spot. That's really good.
This allows me to pivot.
I'm turned for getting the middle of the yacht race.
Yes.
We got a mixed fleet that's working out just fine.
You also have really good rubber bumpers on the big tug, so you stick to it better. You
Yeah,
slide
yeah,
off.
yeah.
Are you running two boats at one time?
Not at the
Whoa,
moment.
whoa, 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 whoa.
Drift.
That is full stern. That is full stern on that stupid.
Now you got three things. Three boats in Britain.
I'm sorry, guys. I had full stern, and that boat does not slow down well.
Apparently.
Well, watch this, Steve.
It couldn't be you're driving while texting.
I wasn't texting. I was taking a video, which I may have got that on there.
But one of them, I don't remember if it was a spent bush red star or if it was a ram. Oh, that was an interesting one. It was a pair of tugs that the company bought in the Middle East. They had been doing cargo work there, so 200-ton tugboats and brought them over to Penn Ship in Philadelphia. Offloaded them onto blocks on the beach, and we were supposed to, they were doing a bunch of refurbishing work on them to get them ready for work, including putting in our unmanned engine room electronics.
Right.
And got those running, and I remember my boss was adamant about everything goes down that database. That's the big selling feature. And I said, you remember this is 35 days. And no, yeah, 35 or 40 years. And I don't I remember a very wise chief engineer at the University of Washington research. It all sounds well and good, but I don't want someone who's used to sand for rain running sand. And it turned out to be pretty prophetic. We had one of these boats that we worked on in Penn Ship, went into service and was bringing a fuel barge down the Hudson